Hello friends, Danny here from Danny's Dreams, stopping by with some exciting news from me. I have been a fan of Kraftin Kimmie Stamps since the beginning, which was in October marked 12 years that they've been in business. About 7 years ago, I was lucky enough to be a crafty guest designer, and I was over the moon excited. And I've been such a fan since then. I did kind of, I guess, take a little break for a couple years, but then my love for them came back even stronger than before. And for pretty much for the last 7 years, it has been my dream to be on the Kraftin Kimmie Stamps design team. Well, this weekend, my dream came true. I am now a full-time design team member for Kraftin Kimmie Stamps. There are no words to describe how excited I am about this, how happy. It's always fun to be on a design team when you love the products that they put out. I love their stamps. They have such a wide variety. I feel like there's really truly something for everyone in their shop. They have cute, they have whimsical, they have a little bit, I don't know, they just have so many fun stamps. And they have stencils, lots and lots of stencils. They have inks. Yeah, it is an amazing company. They are based out of Canada, but that doesn't mean anything really other than your packages might take just a tad bit longer if you're in the United States, but Kimmie gets them out so fast that it doesn't even seem like it's that long, really. There's always challenges going on, and this week there's a new release, and it is so much fun, and I am so excited. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this, A, because I'm super excited and I want to shout it from the rooftops, but also because it kind of means that my crafting is going to take a little bit of a turn from what I had envisioned it when I quit my job. I had some plans laid out, and I'm still going to do those, but kind of in an altered fashion, because now I want to dedicate the majority of my crafting to Kraftin Kimmie. I have so many of their stamps and products, and I'm excited to share them. Looking forward to the new year. It sounds like it's going to be amazing. So I just wanted to stop by and say, hey, for one. You're probably wondering what this card is here. I made this in celebration of me becoming a crafty girl. I love you more than stamps, and that's a lot. If you watched my craft room tour video, which I'll link below, you know that I love stamps. So whoever gets this card will know that they are loved a lot. I also will link the blog post to this card because I am doing a giveaway on my blog. All the details are there. And I don't know that I'll have another video this week until my Saturday showcase, because I'm kind of getting ahead so that I can do my design team duties properly. And I have a lot of ideas that I want to get down on paper so that I can make those happen. So stay tuned. I will be having lots of crafty stuff coming your way, and we will just have fun. Until my next video, I hope you have a super crafty day. Go do something for yourself. Go get crafty. Go crafty shopping. Just sit back with your favorite beverage and watch your favorite show or read a book. If you like what you see, I hope you subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications. Till my next video, have an awesome day.